100% manifest easy money fast in 24 hours or less. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and it's time to be prepared to receive money fast in 24 hours or less. I call this easy money. And when that easy money starts flowing into your life, you'll be soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Look at everybody on this planet wants financial freedom. Everybody on this planet wants a nice home, maybe a vacation home or a vacation place, a car, a new car, a nice car, a vacation, nice vacations, security, and happiness, and abundance, and money. Everybody. There's nobody that doesn't want, well, there may be a few people, but there are very few people that do not want that. I know you desire that for yourself and for your family. I understand that. And that's what this video is all about. Easy money, fast, 100% manifest money in your life in 24 hours or less. Now, high flyers, what I like about this method is it works 100% of the time. If you will do exactly as I say, it works 100% of the time. The first thing you need to do is you need to type down below here, easy money comes to me fast. Easy money comes to me fast. You need to get your mind ready and conditioned, prepared to receive this easy money. You know, high flyers, I like it when my clients receive fast, easy money. Just yesterday, I got a text, and there it was, $750 in $20 bills. A picture from one of my clients. Easy money. Came to him fast. He said, "Thank you, Robert. Thank you for teaching me how to attract easy money into my life. I'm excited about attracting even more and larger amounts." So the first thing you want to ask yourself is, right now as I'm talking to you, what kind of negative self-talk is going on in your head? Are you saying to yourself, oh, that'll never happen to me, or it's too good to be true, or this guy's talking, nonsense? Are you filled with doubt? If you are, that's the energy, that's the vibratory energy that is stopping you from attracting the money that you absolutely desire. And more importantly, high flyers, the money that you deserve. What is the negative talk? Now, listen, whoa. Before you skip past this part of the video, I think it's essential to hear this because it prepares you for what is to come. Your negative self-talk, the things that you say to yourself about money, about your belief in money, about your belief in your ability to attract money, about your belief in your ability to attract money fast and easily. Those beliefs are harming you and hurting you and holding you back from what you deeply desire, the money that is about to come into your life in 24 hours or less. So high flyers, we're going to do an incantation now. Now, an incantation is different than an affirmation. An incantation is a direct command to the subconscious mind. An affirmation is a conscious statement that if you make often enough will eventually matriculate to the subconscious mind. But an incantation is a direct command to your subconscious mind. Say this with me. Ready? I invoke my subconscious mind to empower my thoughts and actions to attract easy money in 24 hours or less. I want you to say that and mean it. Say it with all of your heart and soul. And then before we go further, type below, easy money really works for me. Type it right down below. Easy money really works for me. Get your mind in a position and in a vibratory place where you are absolutely certain that easy money works for you, that it is already flowing into your life. Oh yeah. You see, high flyers, every dollar that you manifest into your life begins with a thought. And if you have enough thought power, enough thought energy, you can attract several dollars into your life, many dollars, a whole bunch of dollars into your life. And so having mastery over your thoughts, I believe, is the key. Well, in this particular method, we go directly to the subconscious mind with that incantation. That's why the incantation is so vitally important. You must do the incantation, and you must absolutely invest in it and believe in it. Thoughts lead to feelings. Feelings determine what we attract. This is basic law of attraction. This is the basic teaching of Neville Goddard. Feelings provide the energy, the conduit by which we communicate with the universe and attract what we desire. Now, listen to this. Your feeling determines your ceiling. If you have weak feelings, you're not going to rise very high. But if your feelings are excited, if they're motivated, if they're passionate, and you are absolutely certain, you raise your ceiling on what you can attract and how fast you will attract it. Your feeling determines your ceiling. Are you ready to attract money into your life in 24 hours or less? Are you ready? I know that you are. Okay, you've done your incantation. You've written your comments down below. Now close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Visualize gold coins falling from the sky. An infinite amount of gold coins. They don't land on you, but they land all around you. And then notice slowly floating from the sky, brand new, crisp $100 bills. Beautiful $100 bills fluttering down like butterflies. And it's raining gold coins. I mean mountains of gold coins and beautiful, crisp, new $100 bills. As you visualize this, as you see this, as you experience this, visualize all the things that you are now going to do with this increase of money. Visualize all the places that you're going to go, all the people that you're going to help, all the changes that you're going to make in your life, because it's happening right now. Now say these words. I am open to easy money coming to me quickly. I am open to easy money coming to me quickly. Affirm it. Affirm it in your conscious mind. You've already given a command to your subconscious. Now affirm it in your conscious mind. Next, take a deep breath and feel excited and relieved. Like maybe you had some bills that you needed to pay. They're paid. They're paid. Oh yeah, they are paid. Maybe you had something that you had to buy, maybe a present for someone. You've got the money now. Maybe there was a trip you wanted to go on, but you didn't have the money and some of your friends are going on it. You're joining them. Oh, it's nice. You feel excited, but you feel relieved. Now, finally, do not try. Expect. Do not try this. Expect this. I'm expecting for you, if you put yourself into this, if you threw your heart and soul and mind and energy field into this simple exercise, if you did that, I'm expecting money coming into your life in 24 hours or less. I want to invite you to visit me at manifestingbeyondbelief.com. We did a 3-day intensive workshop in Taos, New Mexico. It was intense. I mean, we put people through everything. And in this 3-day workshop, we've codified it into a program that you can easily follow to empower your life like crazy. Manifestingbeyondbelief.com. Okay, I'm absolutely certain that money is now flowing into your life. You have a prosperous and wonderful day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.